Hello guys, I'm back with another video with part 2 for this online language learning landing page with next.js and Tailwindcss. If you are not familiar with next.js, then I think you should know about next.js. Okay, I will go step by step again in this part as well uh, as the first part. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So in this previous video we built this page. You can see our value, meet our teachers. These three section we have done. Okay, so we need to now design this section as well as this section and also these two section. Okay, so we will finish this four section today. So let's get started with the code. Okay, so let me create first. What can I create? A student, right? So go to student. So I think I need to give the name as student. So yeah, let's give a name student.js. Now again take class container to make the div center with mx auto. Okay, and we will take a p tag for this thing, top studying, right? So here top studying, and there will be like class name text gray 500. I will give the 500 text gray, and text will be 2xl and font will be semi bold. Oh, sorry, I make type mistake in here. If I go here, I need to add in the index that student component. Now yeah, okay, I need to make these things uppercase. So what I will do, I will go to student and here I will make uppercase. Okay, it will be automatically be in uppercase. Okay, nice. Now our student says, so let me copy the text from here. I'm using power toys. Okay, so now copy and paste in here. Okay, I just need to make the change in this portion. I need to make these things 4xl and semibold, not uppercase. It should be capitalized. Okay, it should be capitalized, and the text should be a little bit deeper or darker, like this. Wait, yeah, okay, I think it's medium will be good. Medium, this also medium. Now it looks good. Okay, so next part, so I will give I will take a flex, then I will justify this two item. Okay, this image will be one div and this three item will be in another div, and in this div I will make a flex call. Okay, so that I can give them a little bit gap between those. Okay, so what I will do in here, acha. Okay, now take a flex and give item always center and justify should be between. Okay, and there should be one image in my assets file. It should be like student.svg, I think so. I'm not sure about that. Let me it already comes. Okay, and Martin Watson. Okay, now I will take another div for those text, right? I already told you that, like, here I need to give it as flex call and give a gap between those three things, 5. Okay, and everything need to item start. Okay, and here what I will do, I will give a p tag, and I will copy the text, copy the name from here. Okay, Martin Watson. Then okay, this design I already make in previous slide, right? Like here, so I will copy this code from there, teachers, and here I can found this one. If you didn't see my other part 1 video, you will not understand. Okay, so I think you need to do the part 1 first. Okay, then that will help you to do that things easily. Okay, it's come. Okay, English Martins. Okay, then on paragraph tag I need to paste it in here. Sorry. Here. Oh, sorry. Let's take a p tag, then give the name. Okay, and format the document. Okay, now okay, so what I will do in here, okay, plus name, text, 3XL, font semi bold, and nice. Okay, you see they didn't get any gap because of this text. So what I will do, in same lingua has these 3 things, I need to give br, same br lingua here, and another one has where is the has? Here, br. Now if I go there, it will pop up like this, right? Okay, I should have to make these things a little bit bigger, 2XL. Is it too little? I think 3XL should be good. So 3XL, and make these things as 5XL, something like that. 5XL is a little bit bigger. 4XL looks perfect, right? So yeah, so now yeah, okay, so this portion is done. Then more info. Okay, for this more info, what I need to do in here, more info, right? More info .js. Okay, so now I will use headless UI. I will go to headless UI, and I will use accordion. Like, which one I need to use? This one. This one. Okay, headless UI also use Tailwindcss framework for next.js or react.js, whatever. So yeah, you can also use these things. Okay, and what I will do, I will copy the code. Okay, so let me go to Figma. First see the design. Okay, there should be plus icon. Okay, no issue. Okay, there are 2, right? Okay, so what I should do, I will copy this whole thing. Okay, then paste in here whole thing. wait, not paste the whole thing. I will paste the main div, this div only. Okay, copy, and here I will paste these things. Okay, now what I will do, okay, I need to put these two things also, otherwise it will give some noticeable error. And I will add these things under the student more info. Okay, so now let's get back to the code. You see they already, oh, I need to use disclosure. Okay, guys, that error occurs because of they use another icons. We will use, they use a hero icon and we will use this react icon. So I add the bs peel circle. When I hit copy, click, it will copy. Then if I go to here and I paste the thing in here. Okay, like this one. Okay, so if I go to browser and if I click here, it will work perfectly, right? You see it's working perfectly fine, right? So suppose I make this as a component. Okay, so what I will do, I will make the name, I will change the name in here. Okay, I will change the more info model. Okay, then what I will do, info more info model. Okay, then what I will do, I will create another component model, sorry, more info. Okay, more info. Now more info.js. Now I will render that component in here. How? You will see right now. Okay, so first I need to keep one thing in here. I don't need so many things like that, right? So yeah, I think in this disclosure, okay, I will just keep one item. Okay, I'll just keep one item. Then let's see if I take one item. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so now what I will do, I will get back to the code and okay, I need to make the design in this way, right? So I will take grid. So what I will do in here, like more info, common questions, right? So if I go back to here and go to more info, and here class name container and mx should be auto, and here I will take two things from this student, because those two things are the same design. So I will not do the same design either. Okay, so like more info in here. Now click more info. Okay, then come here and paste the things here perfectly. So now after doing the more info, let's copy these things again, these common questions, and go back to here and paste the things in here. Perfect. So now what I will do in here, I will take a grid and make the grid calls 2, right? And make those gap between those two div 10. And what I will do in here, I will just what can I say, I will just call the more info component, model component. Okay, from there. Okay, So now if I paste two things, for example, uh, just came one thing. Oh, sorry, because I didn't. I also already add these things, right? So what's happening? I'm calling this 2 times, but it's not working. What actually happening in here? So I will map these things, okay? Then I think it will work perfectly. So I'll map like info, sorry, const info, then there will be one title over here, like this will be title. So title should be there, and oh sorry, I need to take second bracket, sorry guys. Title over here, and after that I need to take description, right? This description. So yeah, description, this, just call it as a this, and give the title in here, what the title actually in these questions, like suppose this one, okay? So copying these things, okay? Now I'll go back to the code again, paste, and what is the description? A description should be in here, like copy, then go here and paste the thing bottom corner. Okay, when it shows error, you need to go to backspace, then the error will be fixed easily, okay? Like this way. Wait, I'm showing you how you can this one, you see the error gone, okay? So now get back to the code again and copy this thing and paste the thing in here. Okay, now what I will do, I will map this whole things, so in here, okay, I will map in here, because disclosure button, disclosure, right? Okay, so disclosure in here, okay, fine. So what I will do, right, if I remove these things, what will happen in here? Let's see. It will take the full width. Okay, no issue, you can take the full width, I have no problem with that. Okay, so I think I can take the map in here. So info dot map, then I will return sorry guys, return one div. Under the div I will take this everything from here to here, and what I will do in here, like, wait, I need to give this info have some value, inf and comma one index file. So and I will return the key in here, and yeah, then I will call this inf because I have the title and description in this map. So what I will do, this will be my title, right? So I will give second bracket, then inf dot title, right? Then down below here I will use inf dot description. I think it should work. let's see. Yeah, it's working. You see, guys, it's working perfectly, right? So now I will get back to the code, and here, okay, so if I, okay, wait, if I go here and make this div as a grid, okay, yeah, make this div as a grid. Let's check if it's work or not. Grid calls 2 and gap will be 10. Let's see. No, not working yet. So okay, so what I will do, cut that thing, and okay, 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 guys, I use flex, then that actually work in here. When I'm using in this div before info mapping, where I do the map things, I will give flex and give gap 10, then that will be work. Yeah, you see, now it's working perfectly, right? When I click, oh, okay, wait, I have that solutions. Okay, disclosure, right? So yeah, if I give a class name in here, class name, and flex call, if I do this thing, no, do the flex and flex call in here, not in these positions. So let me remove this class name, and if I go to these things right now I think it will work. You see, yeah, it's working, but it's expanding. Let's fix this thing. With full, right? So if I wait, now if I give grid in here, grid calls 2, and now it's perfect. See, when I give grid, then it fixes that problem. Okay, so we need to design the thing right now in here. Okay, so how can I level up knowledge? Okay, it should be a little bit bigger, so I need to give the padding, more padding on these things, like in here, like this padding, it's around 8, and py needs to be a little bit bigger, so I will give py 10 something else. If I see, yeah, now it looks similar. Okay, and the rounded, not LG, it should be rounded full, so that that look like the same. Nice. Okay, so okay, so expandable thing will be a little bit another color, and it will be border. By default it will take the border things, no any not kind of purple thing will be applied in here. I need to give border, and border gray 500 400. Let's see. Okay, I think I need to give these things a little bit smaller value, like 200. Now it looks more good. Okay, so now plus icons. So plus icons needs to be a class name. Oh yeah, text purple, they give the text purple, right? So we will not give the purple, we will copy the color from here with the help of power trace tools. Okay, so now what I will do in here, I will cut these things in here, and make these things like this. Ta-da! Okay, it's done, but it's need to be a little bit bigger, so I will give text to Excel. When you give this React icon text to Excel, it will increase its size. Okay, but why it's not increasing? Wait. Let's just close this thing, and yeah, now it looks big, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, now what we will do in here, not purple, it should be a little bit blue type of things, and that text should be okay, I already give the text color, and like when it will expand, it will look like this, right? So now what it looks like this. Okay, okay, so what we will do in here, okay, it's a button will work in here, and the title, right? Title and button also in here. So what I need to do in here, first here I will cut this thing and paste under the button. I think that will it will come under this thing. Okay, now I need to flex call this thing, right? So what I will do, in here, if I make this thing like flex call, what will happen? Let's see. Okay, so this and this should be in the same row. Okay, so okay, so don't make it flex call. What I will do, okay, so what I do in here, I just take a div and give this title and this plus icon in one div, and this panel in another div, and I make the main div as flex call so that it will go with column wise. Okay, so then what I do, then justify the things between and make the item in center. So what it will happen, okay, it's not getting the justify between work, right? So what I will do in here, flex justify between, okay, and if I give here w full, I mean it means width full, I think that should work. Yes, now it's working perfectly fine, right? Yes. Okay, I'm not changing this color, just stick with that. Okay, you guys can change the color, but yeah, if I do the color if I want to change the color, like I should give one thing group and other thing will in in group hover or something like that, huh? Like if I make these things as a group, and then I need to like here where here like group hover, group hover, group hover, what I will give like busy blue 500 or something like that. I think that Yeah, you see, when I hover it will make the things in blue. Okay, if we go here and copy the color, suppose I'm copying the color and paste the color in here. Then I think it will look more professional, right? But one thing, I also change this group hover thing, all the text title, like suppose the title color should be on group hover, their text should be white. Okay, in this particular things group hover text should be white, as well as also the same thing will apply for the where is the description, this one, right? These things also I need to apply. Okay, if I apply that things, then it will look like this. Okay, after focus. Okay, so focus, we need to also focus, right? Group focus, ZROUP. Okay, let's just paste, like we just need to change here focus, FOCUS. After group focus, the text should be into white, you see. Okay, wait, I also need to change the here also, group focus. I just need to copy these things and paste the thing, same thing in here, and group focus, just change it to focus. Okay, and also in the title below I need to do the same thing, like, yeah, group focus. Yeah, now why the background is not working? Focus busy. I don't need that ring. Okay, okay, now what I need to do in here, where's the button? This also it should be after hover the PZ should be white. To focus. In this way sorry, in this way, and this will work. Okay, okay, so it's done. So we just need to make the in here, like copy and paste something, this map, this JSON file. Okay, then it will look like this, like just copy two more. Okay, so this part almost done. Okay, I need to why these things is actually not showing. I have no idea, like why these things is not showing. So I think we don't need this one. Okay, we can cut this thing in here and go to here top corner and make the thing changes in here. Now that will come automatically. Okay, and there should be like no padding, X padding top, there will be container, and MX should be auto. Okay, and one thing, we actually don't need this one right now, so I'm deleting these things, deleting this component. I will just render the model info. Okay, model info model, more info model. Okay, I think then that will work. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so now what I will do in here, okay, I should keep py20, and these two things need to be a little bit gap between those two things, and also these things will be needs to be margin bottom 3. Okay, okay, I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. Now it looks good, right? Okay, okay, now for the next part, get free trial. It's called call to action. Okay, so what we will do in here, call to action CTA, we can make the name is like CTA.js RFCE, then give it class name container and also mx auto. Okay, and one p tag. There should be a little bit cute header, paste that thing in here, then class name text for excel, font semi bold, and okay, also I didn't render that thing, so I will render. Wait, text should be center, not semi bold, it's medium, and text should be center. I think everything needs to be center position, right? So I can use flex, flex, and justify center, and flex should be flex call, right? Flex call. Okay, and item should be also center. So yeah, okay, so let me render the thing in here, CTA. Okay, oh, good, perfect. Now to do the same thing in here. Okay, copy the thing, subtitle, whatever it's called, and a little bit smaller things will be good and also looks perfect. Okay, now I need to make these things, right? So yeah, okay, so what I will do in here, I will give a flex, and flex, then that two portion will be a little bit gap, like 10 or something like that, and of course the item should be center, right? Okay, now what I will do in here, okay, so I need to take one input, sorry, what I just take, sorry guys, input. Okay, input, and then class name should be like, I need to give some px4 and py kind of 3, and that should be okay, I think so. And the outline should be none, and let's see the design. Sorry, where is the design here? Okay, it has some color, so pick the color from here in easy way. Okay, I need to give a background, so busy should be like this color, and enter your email. There I need to place placeholder, enter a email. Okay, I think that's need to be a little bit bigger. So px 5 and py kind of 5. It looks bigger than that, and that should be rounded full. Okay guys, nice. Okay, it's need to be a little bit bigger, so I can fix a width like 96, the maximum width of Tailwindcss. 96 is perfect. And I also need to take a button, like what the button called, send, right? Send. So sorry, send. And I will use the daisy UI button. So btn then bz, sorry, then I need to copy the color from here. After doing that, I'll just paste the color and btn lz, like large. Okay, it should be rounded, right? It should be rounded, so rounded full, and border none, border none, and okay, I need to give a big gap between those thing. Okay, so I take this thing as a flex, right? So I can give a gap between those every section. Yeah, okay, I think this two section needs to be a little bit closer, right? You can see. So what I can do, I can give less gap in here, and I will like margin top this thing, then it will be good. Perfect. Okay, pre-title done. Now the footer area, we almost done, guys. Okay, before doing that, if you guys are like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload any new video. Okay, so yeah, let's get back into the code again. fwter footer.js. Okay, so again rfce, and make this as a container, or like container mx auto, and okay, and I will do in here, like I need to give a background color, so I will go here and pick the color from here, and here you go. Okay, then what I will do in here, I will paste the color, and okay, so now first you need to understand how many things in here. Like this is one div, this is another, so 1 2 3 4 5. So we can use flex or grid. I think for mobile responsive, the grid will be the most good things for this footer area. So I will use grid, and grid columns will be 1 2 3 4 5 for larger or excel. Okay, so I will do that. Okay, so what I will do in here, I will call the grid, and grid calls 4. I'm not giving the mobile responsive version in this video. The next video will come with mobile responsive version. Okay, and in that next video you will learn how we can be host this awesome portfolio, or sorry, awesome landing page to Vercel. Okay, so stay tuned with me, guys. Okay, lingua. Okay, fine. So what I need to do in here, oh, of course I need to give gap between those 4 or 5, 1 2 3 4 5, oh sorry, 5, those 5 things, sorry, 5. Now what I will do in here, now I will take a flex. Is this necessary? Yeah, because I will not give any flex, because if I use only space y, let me introduce with space y for Tailwindcss. If I give space y, what will happen? Just see. I take the image, footer logo.svg. So yeah, now it's done. The design is looking great. So now I will also make one div from this portion and flex call and give gap between them. Okay, so yeah, let's go to VS Code and make one div as well. Under this particular area, I will take a div flex. If I don't take flex, I can also use space y pipe, something like that. Okay, and what I will do in here, I will take a p tag and then company. So company, then class name, text, Excel, and font medium. Okay, and I'll copy the same thing in here, but font will be normal and text should be base. Okay, so yeah, so now career, teacher, support, contact. So go here, CARWR, careers, teachers, support, contact, sorry, contact, then product. I'll just copy these things and paste the thing in here. I'll make change like product, courses pricing blog, courses says pricing blog. So I don't need this one, I will get rid of that things. Now go to the result, looks good, right? Okay, now okay, so and legal, okay, legal, also here legal, and terms and condition in here, and then privacy policy, right? Privacy policy. Okay, I don't need this one also, so format document. Okay, fine. Now one more thing, I also need to do it as a flex right now, because those things are actually in flex position, right? Row position, row wise. That's why I need to use here flex. Okay, so now what I need to do, I will take some React icon from React icon. So go to here, reload the page and search for Facebook. So let's just keep the base one. Okay, Facebook done. Then what icon I need? Twitter. 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 Base Twitter. Wait. Okay, let's just take one thing that actually doesn't matter. If you guys can I add Twitter and also Instagram, right? So Instagram bs Instagram. Okay, now go here and sorry, paste, and I'm importing by using the extension. Okay, it's called auto import or something like that, I think so. Auto import, or I forgot what its name. Auto import, yes, auto import. Okay, so now if I go to the design right now, you can see the whole things, right? So I need to make here some changes. I need to give some classes. Press alt, then it will appear like this, and text 2xl, oh no, 3xl. Okay, and text gray. I'm using React icon because when you use React icon you can change those color also, right? But if you have only the icon file, then you cannot change the color, right? So I have that ability to change the color as well. Okay, so that's why I actually use a React icon. Okay guys, so I need to give a item center and also give some gap between those icon, gap 5. So yeah, now it looks good, right? And item center, no. Okay, item center, no issue. Okay, so in the main div I need to make the things like item start, I think so. Item start, or yeah, item start. You see, now it goes to appear to the top. So I need to give like margin as well, margin by 10, so that it will give some gap. Now it looks cool, right? So yeah, we made it, guys. We made the full landing page in 2 videos. Okay, I am splitting in 2 videos because I want you to learn step by step. Okay, if you don't see the first video, go check it out. I already uploaded it today, yesterday. So yeah, so that's for all in this video. In next video we will make responsive, and also we will host it on Vercel for free. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.